Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Play 2023 from Metro by T-Mobile. So the Moto G Play is now here at Metro. It's available now in a navy blue color. Y'all guys can see front and back of the phone there. 32 gigabytes of storage. And yeah, if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone, the Moto G Play 2023 version is worth taking a look at here. So yeah, this is a very nice looking phone. The only thing I don't like about the phone is the blue color, but that's just my personal opinion. It's like a dark blue color there. So front and back of the phone, you guys have your whole punch there for your front facing camera there. Earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Back of the phone is your triple camera system. Your fingerprint sensor is on the back here where the Motorola logo is. Very iconic there. So there you go. And yeah, the left side of the phone, that thing has a micro SD and SIM card slot. Does a closer look at the back of the Moto G Play. You guys get the triple camera system. Looks like dual LED flash, and your fingerprint sensor on the back there. In the right side, like I said, power button and volume keys. Alright. So the Moto G Play is now available at Metro for free when you guys port in your number. So if you guys want a free phone, switch to Metro and y'all guys can get the Moto G Play for free, which is not a bad deal there, you know. This is a budget smartphone, so you do keep that in mind. Yeah, the full retail price of the Moto G Play is $159.99. So pretty cool. So not bad for a free phone, you know what I mean? So the features here says y'all guys have a 16 megapixel triple camera system, 5 megapixel front facing camera, 46.1 hours of talk time, 3 days of standby time, 6.5 inch HD plus display. That is a 720 by 1600 pixel resolution there, so pretty decent display there. Other features include smooth fluid 90 Hz refresh rate display, which is very nice. It's pretty much being standard now on budget smartphones. The 90 Hz refresh rate, which is pretty decent for a budget phone, so not bad there. Water repellent design. So if you guys get your phone a bit wet, you guys should be fine. The Moto G Play is not waterproof, however, so don't submerge your phone in water. Don't do that. Y'all guys get up to 3 days of battery life, 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, fingerprint reader, and Android 12 on board. Which is Android 12 is kind of it is currently one Android version behind right now. Android 13 is out. Android 14 will be out later this year, but nonetheless it's still pretty good for a budget phone. Alright, so it says whether you are watching content or creating your own, the view matters. Meet the new Moto G Play with a fast refreshing 6.5 inch 90 Hz display. Your favorite movies, websites, and games look remarkably smooth and fluid. Add to that a 16 megapixel triple camera system, and it's easy to shoot like a pro. Leave your power worries behind with up to 3 days of battery life. Enjoy plenty of room for your photos, movies, songs, and apps with 32 gigabytes of storage. Make sure your phone stays safe with a water repellent design, and unlock your phone instantly using only your fingerprint. For a better view, look to Moto G Play. Specs. You guys will get a 5,000 mAh battery. Of course, it's Type C, which is pretty much standard now. Your connectivity options for the Moto G Play is Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABG, and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.0. It has a MediaTek Helio G37 processor, Android 12, 512 gigabytes of micro SD card expansion. So take advantage of the micro SD card. You will get 4G LTE. There is no 5G on this phone. There's your email supported platforms there. Hearing aid compatibilities, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, of course, which is standard. Frequencies there. The Moto G Play weighs 7.16 ounces. The depth of the Moto G Play is 0.37 inches. The height of the Moto G Play is 6.58 inches. The width of the Moto G Play 3.1 inches. So what comes in the box is your Moto G Play 2023 smartphone, the charger, which is very nice to see, Type-C cable, your guides, and your SIM ejection tool. So your standard stuff in the box there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto G Play is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. Y'all guys can get the phone for free when you guys switch to Metro, or it's $159.99 for a retail price. So not bad for a budget phone like this, especially for free. So check it out. It's a very nice looking phone. Pretty decent specs for what it is, a budget phone. So I can't stress that enough here. It's a very nice looking phone nonetheless. But there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.